Hi everyone, we're down to the third done step. We're done with the dip and the basic. And the third one is a double. Double is similar to basic except we're using both feet instead of just one foot away with the basic. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you using the markings on the floor already. Same pattern, in, out. So this time both feet will be inside a bamboo hole, all the markings on the floor. Okay, again, I'm going to do it slow and then fast. So you go in, out, in, out, out, out. Okay, that's your double pattern. Good luck!